Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make soft wholemeal rotis. So let's get started. I've got here 1 cup of wholemeal flour, 110 ml of hot water, extra flour for dusting, some oil, some ghee or you can use oil for brushing and half teaspoon of salt. You will also need a rolling pin, a rolling board or you can use your bench top. Take your flour, add salt and 2 teaspoons of oil and give it a mix using a spoon. Add half of the water and mix it using a spoon. Add remaining water and mix it until it starts to come together. Use your hands to knead the dough until smooth. Rub 1 teaspoon of oil all over the dough. Cover it with a damp cloth or a damp tea towel and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, place a griddle or a non-stick fry pan on medium heat and heat it. Sprinkle some dry flour on the bench top. Roll the dough into a log and break it into 4 equal-sized pieces. Roll each piece into a bowl, coat it with some dry flour and flatten it. To roll the rotis, place a flattened dough on the bench top and roll it lightly into a round circle, about 2 mm in thickness. You can use extra dry flour for dusting if you need it. Do not worry about the shape too much. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. Line a roti container or a plate with a piece of foil and then place a piece of paper towel on the top for putting the rotis after cooking them. To cook the rotis, place 1 roti on the griddle and wait for bubbles to appear on the top. Flip it over using a spatula and cook it for 15 seconds. Flip it again and use a soft tea towel to press it lightly on the top to puff up the roti. Apply some ghee or oil on top of the roti using a spoon. Flip it over and apply some more ghee. Take it out on a plate or a roti container and repeat this process with the remaining rotis. My soft wholemeal rotis are ready and you can make it and serve it warm or cold with any of your favorite curries. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.